If you can't fix it with a hammer, you can't fix it with anything. You can't make that up. Handbrake. Don't let others hold you back. I'm a motherfucker impact guy. Nah.
What?
Hello everyone. So here we go again. Another day, another mission. I was swapping the wheels earlier on today and this happened. No fuck. What the fuck? Oh yeah, one of them had the thread that was fucked up. Yeah, one of them studs just snapped off. I did have an issue with that stud before. Well, after I had one garage replacing the tire for me. And yeah, that's where we are. I was calling a few of them places with the parts to ask for the wheel stud by itself. None of them actually had any. And they wanted me to buy the whole wheel bearing with the studs. Was about 120 quid. So at the end, I got in touch with Honda, which is about half an hour away from my place. And they had it. $8.50. And I hope that's going to be nice and easy fix. So yeah, the other fun thing is I'm meant to be going tomorrow afternoon or day after tomorrow morning to Poland for the Easter holiday for 2 weeks, and that's approximately what, 900 miles for me to drive. And obviously I'm not going to risk it with this, and I already fucked it up because I meant to loosen the bolts first. So let me put this shit back down. Always double check. Nice and steady. And apparently all you have to do, just knock it out. That's what I've seen on the videos, but fuck knows how simple that's going to be. I'm going to have to remove the brake disc, obviously the caliper and all the other shit, and see where is that going to take us. So I hope I didn't fuck up the settings, because I don't know, I just had like a fucking rabbit mode turned on or something. Alright, so let's begin the fun. Yeah, of course the one that we need is already gone. That's too big. It's not looking good. Oh, we've got a bigger one. Yeah, that's the same thing. What about the standard size too? Yeah, that's too small, is it?
That's what she said.
Yeah, well, we don't have anything else. Let's give it a go. That one's gone. Oh, that one's not even. Let me see. Because that's the stuff you can't make that up. Number 10. Number 8. 10. Honda, innit? Honda, mate, Honda.
Oh, Honda.
It's gonna be like what, 11? 12. Obviously not the standard stuff. 12 is a bit loose. 11's too small. That's 11. Yeah. Shit, innit? I'm always double checking the directions, because that's the last thing you want it to do. Keep on tightening the screw up. And the good thing is, the good and bad, I don't know. Yeah, good thing that the handbrake is on disc as well.
No!
So it's gonna be easier for us. But then I'm gonna have to go inside and release the handbrake. Are you off, my friend? Oh, all you did, you just released the... not the thing that you want. Well, kind of the thing that you wanted, but why can't we just get the whole thing off with the carrier? We go with this first, and then we see. One at a time. Oh, don't mess up the paint, man.
What?
Why is it not coming off? Don't tell me the brake hose is not long enough to let this shit off. It's sort of coming, but then it's like something holding it. What the fuck is holding you, man?
Good question.
Don't let others hold you back. Fuck, you know. Where's the hammer?
What?
Where's my beautiful floor mat? I know what's the problem. The caliper needs to come out, but it can't because of the, this edge. What if, what's that going to be, 16? Oh, bigger. Oh, don't tell me it's going to be 17. Fucking on that, mate. Come on. Yeah. See, and that's the problem with the one at the back.
One day later.
It wants to come out, but then from the other side, it fucking doesn't. What the fuck is wrong with you, mate?
Come on, rip it out.
I told you. It was the fucking caliper. This thing was sitting in it, and it wouldn't fucking let him out. See, not a lot in there, but at least we've got the fucking caliper out.
What?
Oh, shit. Come on. Oh shit, so we have drums over here as well. So that's the old one. And let's take the new one for a comparison. Not a lot of difference, is it? What we're gonna do, as that isn't as hard as I thought it would be, this one, gonna replace them two as well.
Yeah, right.
Something like that. Because I already bought 3. I thought like, fuck it, if they manage to fuck this up, I might just get more than one. Yeah, the thread is the same. That's alright then. If we didn't have the issue with this shit, that would have been much easier than I thought it would be, Let me just put the fucking caliper back on. What way did you go, mate? This way, yeah? Is that supposed to be there so loose?
Fucked.
Wait, what were you... Yeah. Ah, you already fucked it up, man, that's why.
What?
We have to push these out. Oh, that shouldn't... Fucking hell, I'm gonna end up buying new fucking pads tomorrow, am I? I already got that out anyway. Yeah, fuck that. I'll be alright, mate. Well, basically, you got a special tool to do it. It's like a piece of metal, and then you screw in your bolts. Yeah. You tighten them up, but because obviously we don't have one of them tools, we're gonna have to create one in a minute.
What?
Out of something. If we put that there, that may be a little something with better dimension. Yeah, I think I'm gonna put you guys on the other side because you're gonna see fuck all. But then on the other side I've got the fucking everything. Shit, you're gonna be in the way over here. Or we're gonna walk around it, are we? Yeah, that should be fine. And basically what you do, you tighten it up. Possibly with something better than that. Well, that didn't really fucking pull that in anyway. Well, it did slightly. Kind of. But it's fucking stiff, man.
That's what she said.
Fucking hell, people, look at that. Creating new tools. And the battery's gone. Shit. If you buy the tool, it's like a thick washer with a turning thingy on top. If we could find... I'm gonna go for a hunt. Look what I found, guys. That is basically what we're looking for. So what we're gonna do, and it fits, that's a good thing. And then try with this. That isn't strong enough. Maybe I am. It's going, mate. Is it going? I guess so. I'm a motherfucker. Impact gun. Impact gun. Impact gun. I'm a motherfucker. Impact gun. Nah. That is nearly there. If I could hold it with my hand, yeah, and put your fucking leg in there. Well done. I think that's it. Is it? Or is it not? Shall we see? Quality control? Is this one here? I think it's all the way in, is it? Let me put my head. Yeah. All the way in. Fucking hell, guys. That is done. I'm not gonna replace the other ones. Fuck that. I'm just gonna put this shit back together. I'm fucking keeping this one. You're staying with me. You're mine now. I heard about people putting the brake pads wrong way round. If you know what I mean. You know, when the brake pads are going this way, yeah? There were some people in some services that managed to do it the other way around. I didn't even know you could do it. Why don't you like this spot? It's a beautiful spot. Come on. It's your fucking spot as well.
What?
Yeah, man. If you can't fix it with a hammer, you can't fix it with anything.
That is correct.
Oh, what the fuck is wrong with you? Would probably be easier to ask. What isn't wrong with it? What was the... Oh yeah, that was 12 mil, was it? Oh, that one's fucked. Fucking hell. Oh, it's over there. That's what I thought. I haven't used it yet. It's already fucking missing. That one's done. Come on. Oi, give it back. Let me just make sure it's tight enough. There we go. That is done, I hope. Oh, that isn't straight. Look at that. Nice, nice, nice. Hard, hard, hard.
What?
Nice, nice, nice. I do have a spare one, luckily enough. She is pretty nice. Look at that. You still recording, yeah? Can you see it? Can you see it? Yes, you can see it. She is beautiful, man. So we've got those fuckers there. This motherfucker there. That was already snapped pretty badly. That was fucking driving like that. Half of it was already dirty. That means quite a bit was missing. Another day, another mission. Motherfucker. Oh, you fucking asshole. Go on. Why don't you want to go in now? Fucking hell, guys. Seriously.
What?
Handbrake. Chic. I did finally receive the Honda logos stickers for the center cups, so we can finish that off. Well, I only got that on today. Whew. So, another day, another mission. Let me know what you think. Did that happen to you before? Yeah. Leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time, guys. Have a good one.
What?